This amazing little device removes impurities from the water, chemicals, bad tastes, and you just end up with delicious water that you can take with you wherever you are. It's an amazing little addition to the pump filters you might have, or an hydration pack that it connects to. Hi everyone, this is Andrea with Adventures and Dreams. Today we're talking about the Katadyn active carbon bottle adapter here. This tiny little device that makes all the difference in your filter system. Most filters used by outdoor enthusiasts are really good at removing bacteria and sediments from your water, but the water can still taste kind of funny and smell weird. That's where this little device comes in. It removes chemicals and it removes bad smells without a problem. In this video I'll show you everything about this filter, what comes in the box, how to replace the carbon in here, and how to use the filter with your system that you might already have. So let's get to it and I'll show you everything I know about it. Let's talk about what comes in the box first. Of course you get the filter itself, which is empty when you first buy it. Katadyn includes 2 packages with active carbon, and they are each good for 2 refills. The filter is ultra light and small at 59 grams. It's 100% PVC and BPA free. It can only be used with clear water. You can use it for backpacking or any kind of camping, and even day trips, as long as you attach it to a pump filter or a hydration pack first. To fill it for the first time or to refill it, you just gently open up the top to get to the inside of it. Half of the pack of the active carbon goes into this little container, and then you carefully close it again. One of those fillings lasts for about 200 liters, so the 2 packages that you have will last for about 800 liters in total. I added the links to the filter and the replacement packs in the description below so you can find them easily. This filter uses activated carbon granules. Active carbon has been processed more to increase its surface area and absorption capacity. This means that it can remove more contaminants from the water than regular carbon filters do. It reduces chemicals and improves taste and odor of filtered water. It does not remove bacteria or sediments, which is why you need the filtered water for it. To use this filter, you attach the outtake hose from your pump filter to this adapter here. And just like with every other water filter, you have to rinse this one out thoroughly first to make sure it's clean. And it's the first time that you use it, this water will be really black from the carbon dust that comes out of it. This will happen after each refill. Just rinse it really well until the water comes out clear, and then you can fill your water bottles. This adapter fits really well on a variety of water bottles, but I could not make it work on my Nalgene bottle because it was a little bit too small. You can see the setup pretty well here with my Katadyn pocket filter. Its outtake goes directly to my carbon filter from Katadyn, and the water is filtered one more time through this carbon to remove any chemicals or bad taste. Any pump filter will do, but if you want to find out more about the Katadyn pocket filter, I'll add the link to my review in the description below. The result of filtering your water twice like this is very clean water that tastes delicious. This filter can also be used directly with an hydration bladder. Just like the Sawyer filter over here, you can add the active carbon filter onto your drink system, so your water tastes even better straight out of the hydration bladder. Cleaning it before each use could be a little bit of a problem with the system though, and honestly I have not tried this yet, so I don't even have any film material for this setup. I contacted Katadyn specifically to find out about the maintenance of this filter, and they replied that there's not much you have to do at home, but you could open up the container and let the carbon dry out completely until you use it again. So that's what I did, because I know I'm not going to use it very often, and I just don't want this water to sit in there for several weeks or even months. It's easy to tell when the carbon is completely dry because it becomes this fine powder again, like we saw when we first opened the container earlier in the video. But while it's wet, it's pretty sticky and just kind of stays in place. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this filter next. It's very lightweight, so it's even suitable for backpacking. It's super easy to use with very minimal setup, and there's hardly any maintenance at all. It does have a few cons as well though. It only works with very clear water, and it requires a pump filter to make this work, or you attach it to the hydration bladder. Other filter types are not very suitable to use with this carbon filter here. One filling can only be used for about 200 liters. It's understandable though, because the carbon absorbs the chemicals, and at some point it's going to be saturated and needs to be replaced. Now you know everything about this amazing active carbon filter from Katadyn. But it really doesn't work that well without a pump filter like this one here. You saw it in this whole video already, the way I was using it along with this filter here. So if you want to find out about the Katadyn pocket filter, you can click the link down below in the description and also at the end of the video. It's a great addition if you're thinking about getting this, but you also need a workhorse of a pump filter, which is this one here. It has a 20-year warranty, it lasts forever, and it's just really good. So take care guys, and I hope I see you in my next adventures or in my next gear review.